Hola, buenos días. Hoy I want to talk about keeping communication en español. We'll do un poco de pronunciación and we'll learn how to ask people to talk more slowly. So let's start. La comunicación. We've got an acción on the end. In English it's communication. So we've got an ation. So the ation turns to acción. So if you're doing the language learning journal and you're looking at the TION cognates, you do acción is la pronunciación for la comunicación. So you've got more ejemplos, more examples. You've got una vacación. Quiero hablar español para mis vacaciones. Right? Another thing I want to notice about la comunicación is the U sound. We say communication with a U. In español, they say comunicación with an U. All right, and this is throughout español. Quiero la oportunidad de hablar español. I want the opportunity to speak Spanish. Opportunity, oportunidad. So the U from opportunity becomes U. La oportunidad. And there's that idad cognate. You can look at that in the language learning journal too, or make your language learning journal record. La oportunidad. Use, usar, right? So la pronunciación of the letter U en español is U. Quiero usar mi español. Now, un poco de vocabulario. The word for I understand is entiendo. Entiendo un poco de español. Quiero hablar español. Entiendo un poco de español. La pronunciación for entiendo, which means I understand, is N, T, N, and then do. Do, like Homer Simpson would say, do. Entiendo. Entiendo. If you want to say I don't understand, just put no in front of it. So I don't understand is no entiendo. Perdón, no entiendo. Quiero practicar mi español. Quiero hablar español. So when you say perdón, no entiendo, you want to keep la comunicación en español. And here's how you do it. You need vocabulario número 2 for today, which is slow. Slow is lento. And if you do Lent, if you give something up for Lent, then Lent, which is 40 days, 40 días, will go by quite slowly if you're not having chocolate, or maybe you like wine. If you're not having vino for 40 días, it'll go slowly. So Lent is slow. So lento is slow. So if you want to say more slowly or slower, you say más lento. Perdón, no entiendo. Habla más lento, por favor. Or repeat. I don't even need to tell you the word for repeat. Perdón, no entiendo. Repite más lento, por favor. And that way you can keep la comunicación en español. You can practicar your español. You can use your oportunidad de hablar español. Bien? Mañana we're going to continuar, listen, not continue, continuar Con la pronunciación, we're going to do double L, making y sound. We're going to buy botellas, which are bottles, pollo, which is chicken, and cebollas, which is onions. And we're going to do that en el mercado, so come back for that tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Adios.